It can be hard to know where to start when designing for a digital signage screen. No wonder so many people end up with screens that are difficult to read, unengaging, with information cut off.
In this video, we'll walk you through 10 rules to follow when designing your digital signage content.
Number 1. Choose a 16:9 ratio.
16:9 is the standard ratio for most commercial TV screens. For portrait screens, flip this to a 9:16 ratio. If you're designing for a non-TV screen like an iPad, this may change.
Number 2. Create in high resolution.
The more pixels in your content, the clearer the image is going to look on screen. Select 1920 by 1080 for a full HD experience. Bonus tip: if you're designing in the ScreenCloud Canvas editor, your design will already have a screen-ready resolution.
Number 3. Check file size.
2 to 3 megabytes image file size is perfect for displaying on digital signage screens.
Number 4. Think about layout.
When designing your digital signage content, you'll want to
leave enough white space around the edge of your design. This will stop it from getting cut off. Remember that your audience will likely read from top to bottom. Number 5. Use sans serif fonts. By using sans serif fonts, your digital signage will be easier to read from a distance. Number 6. Size your font according to distance.
A 20 to 30 point font can be seen from 7 feet away, whereas a 100 point font can be seen from 26 feet away.
Number 7. Choose contrasting colors.
Some studies suggest that the colors you choose have the most effect on whether a viewer retains your content or not.
Try using light colors on dark or dark on light to make your screens more appealing to the viewer. Number 8. Add a dark overlay to any images.
Text can be difficult to read when placed on top of an image, so a dark overlay can help with visibility.
Number 9. Don't play 2 videos at once.
Try not to make a zoning faux pas when playing 2 videos at once, as it can be overwhelming for the viewer.
Lastly, number 10. Keep zones simple. Don't add too many zoned areas to your screens, as the information can be hard to process for the viewer. Less is more when it comes to zoning your screens.
Start creating your digital signage content today at screencloud.com/get started.